I recently discovered a new scheduling app called Cal.com. I used to use Calendly, but the free version felt pretty limited. So when I found Cal, I was honestly excited because it lets you create unlimited schedules even on the free plan. So this is the pricing of Cal. It's free for individuals who are just starting out and simply want the essentials. So for freelancers like me, we can have unlimited calendars, unlimited event types, workflows, and they integrate with your favorite apps and also accept payment via Stripe. So with the team plan, so you can use it 14 days free. You have 14 days free trial, and it's highly recommended for small teams who seek to upgrade their time and perform better as a unit. So you have one team, schedule meetings as a team, round robin, collective events, routing forms, team workflows, remove branding, same day email, and chat support. And you have the organizations plan, which starts $37 per month, where you can have more features like domain-wide delegation, member attributes, insights, white labeling, priority email, and chat support, and an enterprise plan. So if you want to try Cal.com, just use my link in the description section and you can try it for free. Or if you are a member of a team, your team can use it for $15 per month per user. So let's see what Calendly offers. So the difference with Calendly, the free plan has only one event type. Cal.com has unlimited event types. But with the standard plan for professionals and small teams, it's $10 per seat per month. You have unlimited event types, connect to Stripe, PayPal, Zapier, automate reminders, and you can connect multiple calendars. So that's for small teams. With Team Plan for growing businesses, you can send meetings to Salesforce, round robin. This is the equivalent of the team plan. Here it's 15, with Calendly it's 16. So with Enterprise, it's 15K per year. Here you can contact the Cal team, so you can have the most advanced scheduling and routing solution for large enterprise organizations. So you can choose. So for me, I need the free plan is enough. So if you're a team, Cal.com will be very useful for your team. So use my link in the description section if you want to try Cal. Thanks for watching. Bye.